Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by confirming where Excel writes files and why that matters. Autosave vs manual saves change locations. Open Excel, go to File Options, Save to view the Auto Recover folder and default local path. Once done, note whether you use OneDrive or a custom folder. That decides your search scope. Make sure to recall part of the file name or approximate modified date. These filters speed the next step. Now you're ready to search with purpose. You next apply targeted searches and filters to locate the file. Use File Explorer and search for asterisk, XLSX or asterisk, XLSM, then sort by date modified to narrow results. Type part of the file name in quotes for exact matches. If you sync with OneDrive or SharePoint, check the web interface and the synced folder and scan Excel's recent files list. For documents you closed without saving, inspect Auto Recover, and you finish by verifying and securing the file you found, and I'll explain why each action matters. Open the file, confirm key cells, formulas, and the last saved timestamp so you know it's the right version. Once confirmed, save it to a known folder and enable autosave or create a backup to prevent recurrence. If you still can't find it, check the recycle bin, run a quick disk check, or restore a previous version from OneDrive/backup. That one troubleshooting tip often resolves lingering issues.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.